Hi there, my name is Johan, I am a technician from Appliance Service Guys. Today I bring to your attention the continuation of a fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the repair of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Diagnostics, installation, repair, configuration and maintenance of appliances, you will find all this in my videos. Therefore, without delay, I suggest you subscribe to my channel right now. Let me introduce a Whirlpool dishwasher. Reason for service call. Whirlpool dishwasher won't drain. I'm starting to troubleshoot. First, I'll pump out the water from the dishwasher. For this, I use a vacuum cleaner. The water was pumped out. I carefully inspect the recess into which the dishwasher filter is inserted, looking for food, debris and other foreign objects. Clean. I did not find any dirt or foreign objects. Now I have to check the rest of the dishwasher drain system, which consists of the drain pump, drain hoses and their connections. I make sure that the drain hose does not have kinks or faults and that the water flow through it is normal. I didn't forget to check the sewer pipes for blockages. I turn off the power to the dishwasher and disconnect the drain hose to check. After making sure that the hose and connections are not blocked, I proceed to inspect the drain pump. I inspect the drain pump. The impeller is not blocked and rotates freely. The drain pump is visually in satisfactory condition. It is not blocked and has no visible damage. I take it off and disassemble it to clean it from minor dirt. However, I note that the recoil amplitude of the impeller rotation is very weak. After inspecting all the components of the dishwasher drain system, I made sure that there was no blockage in it. I fix all the components in their place and run the dishwasher for a wash test cycle. I hear the sound of water flowing through the inlet hose to the water supply valve, and then the water flows through the black hose into the dishwasher. Water has been collected. I press the reset button and watch the draining process. The drain pump makes noise, but the water does not drain. I use the vacuum cleaner again to pump out the water. I know for sure that the drain system is not clogged. A voltage of 120 volts comes to the terminals of the drain pump. The drain pump is visually undamaged and checked with a multimeter. The recoil amplitude when the impeller rotates remains weak even after internal cleaning of the drain pump. I decide to replace it with a new one. I installed a new drain pump and am once again running the dishwasher on a test cycle. While I'm waiting for the dishwasher to fill with water, I check that there are no leaks. After disassembling and reassembling, the water has filled up. I hear the noise of the circulation pump. To check, I interrupt the wash cycle by pressing the reset button. I watch the process of draining the water. I hear the drain pump and watch water flow through the clear drain hose from the dishwasher into the drain. Success! I assemble, check the operation of the Whirlpool dishwasher and all modes. Dishwasher repair complete. The water drainage problem is solved and this Whirlpool dishwasher works properly. You subscribe and like. I am making new videos, an appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.